Approximately 37 million people in the United States suffer from chronic kidney disease, CKD. This condition often goes undiagnosed in its early stages, making it crucial to raise awareness and promote regular health check UPS. Early detection and management are vital for preventing the progression of kidney disease. Ever wondered how to keep your kidneys in peak condition? Discover the natural power of these 9 foods that can detoxify and cleanse your kidneys, ensuring they function at their best. Your kidneys are essential for filtering waste and toxins from your blood, maintaining a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. But did you know that certain foods can help boost their cleansing power? In this video, we'll reveal 9 incredible foods that can naturally detoxify and support your kidneys. From the antioxidant-rich blueberries to the hydrating power of watermelon, these foods are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your kidney health. Stay tuned to learn how you can incorporate these kidney-friendly foods into your diet and give your kidneys the care they deserve. Point number 1, blueberries. Blueberries are a kidney-friendly superfood packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of damage to kidney cells. Additionally, blueberries are high in vitamin C, which supports overall kidney function and boosts the immune system. Their natural anti-inflammatory properties can help lower the risk of kidney disease and improve kidney health. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is an easy and delicious way to support and cleanse your kidneys. Point number 2, lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink that can benefit kidney health. The citric acid in lemons helps prevent kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in the urine, which can prevent calcium from binding with other minerals. Additionally, lemon water promotes hydration, which is crucial for kidney function as it helps flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Drinking lemon water regularly can aid in detoxifying your kidneys, improving their efficiency and overall health. This refreshing beverage is an easy way to support your kidneys daily. Point number 3, avocados. Avocados are nutrient-rich fruits known for their heart-healthy fats and numerous health benefits, including support for kidney health. They are packed with potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and electrolyte levels in the body, essential for proper kidney function. Despite being higher in potassium, avocados are still considered kidney-friendly due to their other beneficial nutrients and the fact that their potassium is balanced with other minerals. Avocados also contain antioxidants like glutathione, which help protect kidney cells from damage and support detoxification processes. Incorporating avocados into your diet can promote overall kidney health and contribute to natural cleansing and detoxification. Point number 4, watermelon. Watermelon is an excellent food for kidney health due to its high water content and natural diuretic properties. It helps increase urine production, which aids in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. The hydration it provides is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Watermelon also contains antioxidants like lycopene, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting the kidneys from damage. Including watermelon in your diet is a refreshing and effective way to support and cleanse your kidneys. Point number 5, ginger. Ginger is a powerful root known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it beneficial for kidney health. It helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells over time. Ginger also aids in digestion and detoxification, supporting the elimination of waste products and toxins from the body. Additionally, ginger can help lower blood sugar levels and improve circulation, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidney function. Incorporating ginger into your diet, whether in teas, smoothies, or dishes, can help support and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Point number 6, turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. This compound helps protect the kidneys from inflammation and oxidative damage, which can lead to chronic kidney disease. Turmeric also supports the detoxification processes in the liver, indirectly benefiting the kidneys by reducing the overall toxin load. Including turmeric in your diet, whether in curries, teas, or smoothies, can provide a natural boost to kidney health and support their cleansing function. Point number 7, apples. Apples are an excellent choice for promoting kidney health due to their high fiber content and anti-inflammatory properties. The soluble fiber in apples, particularly pectin, helps lower cholesterol and manage blood sugar levels, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Apples also contain antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage kidney cells. Additionally, their natural diuretic effect helps flush out toxins and maintain kidney function. Eating apples regularly can support overall kidney health and aid in the natural detoxification process. Point number 8, cabbage. Cabbage is a nutrient-dense vegetable that offers several benefits for kidney health. It is low in potassium, making it kidney-friendly for those with kidney disease or at risk of developing it. Cabbage is rich in vitamins C and K, as well as fiber, which promote overall health and support kidney function. Its high water content helps maintain hydration and aids in flushing toxins from the kidneys. Additionally, cabbage contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage. Including cabbage in your diet can contribute to kidney health and support detoxification naturally. Point number 9, garlic. Garlic is celebrated for its potent medicinal properties, particularly its ability to support kidney health through anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. The key compound in garlic, allicin, is responsible for many of its health benefits. Allicin has been shown to reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which is crucial for protecting kidney tissues from damage and preserving their function over time. Additionally, garlic's antioxidant properties help neutralize harmful free radicals that can contribute to oxidative stress and cellular damage in the kidneys. Research suggests that garlic may also assist in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are important factors in maintaining kidney health. By promoting circulation and reducing cholesterol buildup, garlic supports overall cardiovascular health, further benefiting kidney function. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be as simple as adding it to sauces, stir-fries, or using it raw in dressings. Its flavorful presence not only enhances culinary dishes but also provides valuable support for kidney health and overall well-being. Incorporating these 9 kidney-friendly foods into your diet not only supports detoxification but also promotes overall kidney health. By nourishing your body with foods rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and essential nutrients, you're providing your kidneys with the support they need to function optimally. Whether enjoying blueberries for their antioxidant power or savoring the hydrating benefits of watermelon, each food plays a role in cleansing and protecting your kidneys. Make these nutritious choices a regular part of your diet to ensure your kidneys thrive and contribute to your overall well-being.